All right, what is going on, everyone? We are back. We're gonna just do a quick hour today. I am gonna be streaming on my other channel as well, but I still wanted to. I didn't think I was gonna have enough time, but I still want to just do an hour, right? I actually am having a lot of fun with this. A lot of fun learning, but I also don't want to go a day without in the beginning, right? And so I want to keep learning and I want to keep trying, ultimately. I can never figure out where I need to keep my microphone, but maybe here. That should be fine. Or yeah, this is good. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do absolutely zero dilly dally today. What did I do? We're gonna do absolutely zero dilly dally today. I just want to get into it, to be honest. And so I want to make sure this thing is working first. Let's make sure it's saved, but for whatever reason it hasn't saved on cursor. The whole player. I'm gonna have to probably fix that in the future. Maybe like after stream this weekend I can try and fix it. But yeah, it is like not looking. It works in here. It just for whatever reason it doesn't work. It's saved in this in Unity, but it didn't save in cursor for whatever reason. But let's try it. And see, it stops perfectly, and then we have the game over down here. Excelente. And then but we can, right now we only have one, but yeah, we go there, and game over. Cool. And so yeah, let's just go on to the next steps here. On what we gotta do. Okay. Okay. We have game over and obstacles working. What is next steps? From here, we are on day 3 now. So day 3, make the world endless. Next step, obstacles spawn automatically in front of the player. That would be hype. Turn obstacles into prefab 5 minutes. Reusable obstacle steps. Click obstacle hierarchy. Okay. We're going to have this over here. And we'll do it from here. Maybe if I was smart enough, I could find a way. No, what? Not this. Here we go. This. Okay. Step 1. So step 1, we're going to do reusable obstacle. Click obstacle in hierarchy. Okay. Drag into assets folder. Oh, wait. Delete this. Drag into assets folder. Oh, I did put an assets folder. Okay. You'll see blue icon. Now Unity can spawn infinite copies. Okay, cool. Step 2, create obstacle spawner script. Okay. Explain step 2. let me see. I'm going to create a new script. Obstacle spawner. Attach it to an empty object called game manager. So in Unity, go to hierarchy, right click, create empty, rename it game manager. Create script and assets, monoscript, name opening cursor, paste the code. So we're pasting we are now pasting this code into Unity. I want to make sure when I do this, let me just hold on. Okay, I think it worked. And so after we do that, we're going to want to select it. So we're going to select it, and then inspector, drag obstacle prefab, drag this into obstacle prefab. Okay. Here we go. So we have obstacle. Okay. Um, we need to. What do we need to do? So it says I need to drag this. Drag this where? Oh, game manager object. Drag obstacle. All right. Select. I need to drag this here. All right, let me take a screenshot. It's funny. It says if time still remains, bro. This is how slow does it think I am? How slow does ChatGPT think I am? All right. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to drag this obstacle prefab thing into game manager. I don't know if I did it right. So hold on. Let's get back over here. So I did explain step 2. Create the script. We did that. Attach the script in the game manager. Drag script or click. Oh, I didn't do that. I did this. Is this what it should look like? Hopefully we can detach this. I don't think that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh, it's almost perfect. Just one. You have done it correctly. Prefab exists. Game manager exists. One small improvement. Right now you only need one manual obstacle for testing. So delete 1, 2, and 3. Oh. Okay. So let's delete these, which is good. Delete. 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 Okay. Add component. Obstacle spawner. Probably in scripts. Obstacle spawner. That's added. After adding script, game manager inspector will show obstacle spawner with an empty field. Game manager inspector will show. Yep. With an empty field. Yes. Okay. We're gonna take a screenshot of this now. Is this good? No. I like how it was saying this is going to be my entire day 3. Alright, but let's try it. Okay, so I got an error. I got this error. Could not find the player object. Player's power still untagged. It's probably still untagged. That would make sense. I was saying my player's untagged, which it is. Let's have inspector find and change it to player. That's funny. Player. Now let's press play again. Okay, based. Oh, wait. You can see it. It's kind of spawning stuff now. It spawned again. Wow. I went probably really far. I couldn't even see anything. Look how far I went. Oh my god, it did it all by itself. Look how far I went. Yo! Dude, are you guys not like impressed? Or are you guys like not impressed? That's so cool. Okay, based. Where's my guy? Oh, there he is. Nice. As you can see, it will spawn randomly. Game over. Based. Okay, cool. Wow. We're doing it. We are doing it. That's awesome. Okay, it all works. Okay, it all works. What is next? Right now we have player movement, lane switching, collision, and automatic obstacle spawning. This means it's action endless runner game, not just a prototype scene. Let's go. Now you need to add a score system. This is the best next move. It makes the run feel meaningful. It is simple to build. It gives players a reason to retry. It sets up a UI and progression ladder. What score should be based on distance travel first? This is the easiest and most natural endless runner score. Okay. I also, at some point, like now that I'm building the game, I'm starting to realize, okay, what do I want to add, right? This is actually kind of cool. I want to add, obviously, a camera that will follow this guy so I can start to see, you know, how to actually run. But now we're going to create a scoreboard. So in the scripts folder, we're going to create another score manager. We're going to call it score manager. And then we're going to put this code into Unity here. We're going to copy and paste this into Unity. And then we're going to have to attach it to the game manager. Excelente. Okay. So once we have this, you click this, it brings up cursor. We paste it into the agent. The agent builds it for us. It's updated. Excellent. Now we click here. We're going to see it being updated. Hopefully it's not deleted. It is not deleted. Now we need to attach this to the score manager. Inspector, then drag the player object into the player field. So attach score manager to game manager. Like this. Yep. Inspector, drag the player into player field. Player, the player field. Test it. The player moves. The console should print 1, 2, 2, and 3, and then now your game has progress. Let's see. Oh, it's down here. Haha, we got 13. So you see in the bottom left, 20, 30, 40, and we'll end it here whenever I hit the next collision. 58. It did not say game over this time, unfortunately, but that's fine. Okay, based. And once that works, the next step is to put the score on the screen. Instead of only printing it in console, show it in the actual game. Best order here, distance score, UI text. Okay, sure. It's working. It did not show game over though. But the obstacles were spawning. And the score was counting. Just so you can see what we're doing here next. Just give me 1 second here. Okay. Here we go. So this means the spawner works, score works, but the spawned obstacles are not triggering your collision game over. But the game is over. The game does end. Let me make sure that we're doing this 100% correct. We want to make sure we're doing this 100% correct. That's fine. The important part is the game logic works. Yes. If the player stops and the run ends, your collision is working. The only issue is just the messaging not appearing. It usually means one of the console is collapsed, filtering logs, debug got removed or changed, game ends so fast, you just did not notice the log. Nope, I noticed it. Yeah. Did not spend more time on that. Put the score on the screen. Okay. We'll just put the score on the screen. Sounds good. So step 1, add UI text. In Unity, right click. So hierarchy, UI toolkit, UI, text, Text Mesh Pro, click import, okay, rename the text object to score text. Step 2, position it top left. Let's see. Just give me a second here. Okay. Trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do here next. Inshallah. Okay. It's funny, you always just run into something that's just very odd to work with. Okay, so in the rect transform, anchor it to the top left. Anchor. Okay. That's when in doubt, screenshot it out. That's my saying with this whole thing. Okay. Come on. Dude, what? Okay. Here we go. So in the hierarchy, click on score text. Change anchor preset. Yeah, I've done this. Top row, top left. Position X 20 minus 20. Okay, we did it. Now we need to make this thing smaller. Okay. Now we need to change the font size here. Here it is. Score 0. The size is good. Yep, that's good. Okay. Dude, my computer is slow today. Okay, so now we're going to do a game over. Game over text. All right. Game over text. Set the text to this. Game over. 60? No, that's way too big. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we need to select this. And inspector. Uncheck the box at the top next to the object name. That means it starts hidden. Update player collision script. Oh, great. Here's where it's going to go down south. This is where it's going to go down south, everyone. Or maybe it fixes everything. All right, we'll start with this. Oh, this is going to go so bad. And deleted. You've got to be kidding me. Oh. It's so annoying. All right, well, we're going to need to create a whole new thing. I wonder if ChatGPT is like, dude, what the heck? Okay. Create. It might actually work. No. Reconnect game over text. Select player. Yeah, we have this. Oh man, this got really rough. Come on. This is probably gonna delete it. Yep, deletes it. Okay, it says game over. Okay. I don't even think. the obstacles are working. Oh man, okay. Okay, let's see, where are we at? 49? Yeah, we're gonna end it here. My brain is not braining. We'll stop it here. We got it. Kind of got a games thing. We're now lost the obstacle a little bit. We lost the game score, but that's okay. We're gonna get back on it tomorrow. That I am gonna stream here soon, and I am gonna take a quick break. But yeah, I think we had a couple people join, so thank you. But yeah.